In this video, we're going to walk through the complete step-by-step process of removing an old dishwasher and installing a brand new one. Whether you're upgrading your appliance or doing a repair, this guide will help you do it safely and correctly. Now, before we jump into the process, it's important to understand that dishwashers may vary depending on brand, model, and the age of your home. Plumbing setups, electrical connections, and drain systems can all be slightly different. But don't worry, the core process remains the same. I've personally worked on many dishwasher installations, and while there can be some challenging situations, most installations are actually quite straightforward once you understand the basics. There are three main connections you need to focus on: the water supply, the electrical connection, and the drain line. If you handle these three correctly, you're already halfway done. Let's start with preparation. Before removing your old dishwasher, always check the cabinet opening. Many people skip this step, assuming that if the old dishwasher fits, the new one will too, but sometimes. New flooring or countertops reduce the available space, making it difficult to remove or install a dishwasher. Remove the lower front panel and take a look at the leveling feet. This will help you understand how much room you actually have and whether the dishwasher is sitting on top of the floor or behind it. Next, turn off the water supply. This is extremely important. If your shutoff valve looks old or corroded, be very careful. Even a small movement can cause leaks. In some cases, it's actually safer to turn off the main water supply to the house. Now, disconnect the power. Some dishwashers are plugged into a socket, but most are hardwired. So go to your breaker panel and switch off the power from there. Once that's done, move on to the drain hose. The drain line is usually connected either directly to the sink drain through an air gap or to a garbage disposal. Carefully disconnect it and keep a towel nearby because some water will come out. It's a good idea to plug the hose temporarily to avoid water spilling onto the floor. Also, remember this: if the drain hose is connected directly to the sink or disposal, it must be installed in a high loop. This prevents dirty water from flowing back into the dishwasher. Now, go under the dishwasher and disconnect the water supply line and electrical wiring. Always double-check that the power is off using a tester. Water and electricity together can be extremely dangerous. Once everything is disconnected, remove the mounting screws that secure the dishwasher to the cabinet. Then gently pull the dishwasher forward and slide it out. Take your time here to avoid damaging the floor, especially if you have wooden flooring. At this stage, you have full access. This is a great time to replace old water lines or clean the area before installing the new unit. Now let's prepare the new dishwasher. Lay the dishwasher on its back and remove the bottom panel. Install the water inlet fitting, usually with Teflon tape, to prevent leaks. If your model uses a plastic valve, be very careful not to cross-thread it. Attach the drain hose if required, and make sure it's the correct size. Remember, measure twice, cut once. You can also loosen the leveling feet now. This will make adjustments much easier later when the dishwasher is in place. Now, carefully slide the new dishwasher into the cabinet space. Feed the water line, drain hose, and electrical wires to the cabinet as you push it in. Stop halfway to check that nothing is getting stuck or tangled. Next, connect the electrical wiring. Match the wires correctly, white to white, black to black, and secure the ground wire properly. Use wire nuts and make sure the connections are tight and safe. After that, connect the water supply line and tighten it properly. Then attach the drain hose to either the sink drain or garbage disposal. Before securing the dishwasher fully, it's time to level it. Leveling is extremely important. The dishwasher should be perfectly level or slightly tilted backward. If it leans forward, water can leak out from the front during operation. Once leveled, secure the dishwasher to the cabinet using mounting screws. Now, turn the water supply and power back on. Run a test cycle and carefully check for leaks. Look underneath the dishwasher while it's running. Even a small drip can cause serious damage over time. Here's a useful tip. Place a colored napkin or a paper towel under the dishwasher. If there's even a tiny leak, it will leave a visible mark. Let the dishwasher run for a while and check everything thoroughly. If everything looks good, no leaks, no strange noises, then your installation is complete. And that's it. You successfully removed your old dishwasher and installed a new one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.